Chapter 6 Peninsular Paltue Region, Central Highlands. Peninsula indicates the portion of the land that is surrounded by water on three sides. It appears to be protruding into the sea. The land lying to the south of North Indian plains is considered as Peninsular India. It is one of the ancient landmasses of the earth. The major part of Peninsular India has igneous and metamorphic rocks. River Narmada is considered as a boundary separating the peninsular area into two broad divisions. First one, Central Highlands. Geography. The region extending from the southern rim of the North Indian plains up to the Narmada Valley is called the Central Highlands. It mainly comprises of the peninsular area that forms a part of Ganga River Basin. Among the subdivisions, the first one is Aravalli Mountain. The Aravallis, presently in the form of a chain of hills, is supposed to be the oldest mountain range in India. It is represented by hills between Mount Abu and Ajmer, and the highest peak is Guru Shikhar. Then 2. The East Rajasthan Uplands. The East Rajasthan Uplands extend eastward from the foot of Aravalli Hills. The region is characterized by narrow low hills running in the southwest and northeast direction. The area is mostly drained by Banas River. The plains are mainly drained by rivers like Chambal and Sindh. The area close to the channels of these rivers, and particularly that of River Chambal, is known as Badland topography. The Chambal Badlands are also known as ravines. Then 3. Bundelkhand. The region lying to the northeast of Malwa Plateau is known as Bundelkhand. The rocks found in this area are mostly granite. It is described as smooth, undulating terrain with a few isolated hills. Sindh is the major river that flows towards the north and merges into the river Yamuna. 4. Malwa Plateau. This is located in the southwestern part of the Central Highlands. The average elevation of the plateau is 500 meters. Major part of the plateau falls in the state of Madhya Pradesh. The river Mahi originates in this region and flows into Gujarat area. The Chambal and Betwa rivers flows towards north. 5. Vindhyachal Baghilkhand. The region to the southeast of Bundelkhand and east of Malwa Plateau is known as Vindhyachal Baghilkhand. The area is drained by river Tons, river Son and its tributaries. Most of the Vindhyachal area falls within the state of Madhya Pradesh. Shon Narmada is generally taken as a physical boundary between the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. 6. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Much of this plateau spreads in Jharkhand. It is one of the mineral-rich regions of our country. Granite gneisses are found in large tracts in the central part of the region. Due to high-grade coal seams, this area has become a mineral-rich region. The surfaces of all the plateaus are flat and are studded with low rounded hills. There are many spectacular waterfalls. 7. The Vindhya Range. The Vindhya Range practically forms a boundary between North and South India. It does not have many peaks. Now the climate. Due to its vast size, Peninsular Paltue region has a large variation in climate. Most of the plateau enjoys tropical wet and dry climate except a semi-arid tract to the east of the Western Ghats. Summer is very hot and the annual rainfall is between 750 millimeters to 1500 millimeters. To the east of the Aravalli range, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand experience humid subtropical climate. Then soils. Black soil formed from basalt rock is found in Madhya Pradesh. It contains a high percentage of clay and is moisture retentive. Red soils are found in the Aravallis, while laterite soils are formed in regions receiving heavy rainfall. It has high percentage of iron oxide. The natural vegetation and animals. The natural vegetation in Malwa region is tropical dry forest with scattered teak forest. The main trees are babul, bombax and acacia. The animals, antelope, black buck and chinkara are common. The Central High